right now. This is what Times Square is looking like right now. Times Square is a ghost town. This is what you call a complete lockdown. The snowstorm has ended, but New York City now has to deal with the aftermath of this dangerous snowstorm that hit us yesterday. So we're now going to make a walk, show you guys what's going on in Manhattan right now. The city is basically on lockdown. Almost everywhere is closed. So walk with me. We're gonna walk from 7th and 53rd down onto Times Square. Look, water is running from my eye. It is that cold. It is extremely cold. We're talking about frigid temperature out here. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing for Horain Freestyle Adventures. What am I say? Tell them fix them dentures. Kaboom!
So as mentioned earlier on Freestyle Nation, the city is basically at all. The city is basically on lockdown. The streets, some of the streets are still impossible in Manhattan. I mean, like, if you're planning on coming to work, I can tell you this, guys, for the next 4 or 5 days, don't even think about driving to Manhattan. This is the main road. This is a busy thoroughfare, 53rd and 7th Avenue, and as you can see, it is like a bike track right now. The entire road is covered with snow. I mean, like, it is that crazy. Now we walk onto 53rd and 7th Avenue onto 53rd on Broadway, and then when you go on Broadway, we're on Broadway now. And as you can see for yourself, Broadway is basically no road. Broadway is also one of those busy thoroughfares in Manhattan. Traffic right through the day. Look at Broadway. Everything is at art in the city. It is crazy. I mean, like, I've been here for a couple of years working in the city, and I've never seen so much snow in Manhattan, because what happens is that in Manhattan, right, because of the, oh my god, how it's cold, because of the heated pipe underground and stuff like that, whenever it's snow, it always melts right away. So with this wall built up, you can know that the city gets some extreme snow. Alright, look. This is the sidewalk right here. Oh no. This is the sidewalk right here. And this is what the sidewalk is looking like right now. 52nd and Broadway we're at right now, and we're walking down to Times Square. And this is what it looks like. When I say it is extremely crazy, it is crazy. So guys, if you're coming to Manhattan, don't even think about driving. This is the current road situation in the city. This is what you call the city on lockdown. I'm gonna walk you guys right down to Times Square, so just come with me. If you're new to the channel, just subscribe to the channel. Horain Freestyle will give you the best in entertainment, but as for today, we are giving you the best in snowstorm aftermath. So yeah, people, when I tell you that it is cold, it is extremely cold. Right now I'm actually walking in a deep freeze. So I'm going to turn here. You know what, I probably should. Let me continue down onto Broadway. It is that bad I can't even find place to walk, guys, like. And then because the temperature is so low, everything is ice. So just so you know, if you slip, you slide. So without a doubt, freestyle, I don't eat, but right now I got to be eating on the people who are living in the island right now, because this weather that we're going through right now, trust me, it's not pretty. So the sidewalk are impassable, just as the roads are, and you walk on ice. So just so you know, if you slip, you slide. So we are at Broadway and West 59th Street now, walking on to Times Square. So basically I'm taking the guys down into Times Square to show you what Times Square is looking like in the aftermath of the snowstorm. Question. No, I shouldn't even ask this. I was gonna ask if you, well, let me ask. I was gonna ask you guys if you prefer a snowstorm or a hurricane. Leave it in the comment section, guys. Which of them would you prefer? You prefer a snowstorm or a hurricane? So almost in Times Square now, guys. We're still walking down and the temperature is, oh my god, it is cold out here. So let's see what's happening in Times Square and the activities going on, because Times Square is the place that doesn't sleep. So we're walking down there to see if Times Square is awake or if Times Square is actually sleeping. So guys, we are now in Times Square. We are now in Times Square, and this is what Times Square is looking like right now. This is what Times Square is looking like right now. Times Square is a ghost town. So basically in Times Square, absolutely no form of cleaning is going on. Well, not on this side. I'm gonna go on the other side and see if people are actually cleaning up. But as for right now, we're in the middle of Times Square, and this is what Times Square is looking like right now. This is what you call a complete lockdown. Guys, I must say it's gonna take us a while to have some form of normalcy in New York City. I mean, like, it is just a disaster right now. The The sidewalks haven't been cleaned, the road haven't been cleaned, but I can understand because it's a lot of snow and the temperature is extremely cold. We're talking about deep freeze temperature right now, where everything is basically ice. So it is going to be a challenge to shovel the snow, because you're shoveling snow plus ice. So as we continue to walk, guys, we see pile of snow all over the place. Roadways are impossible, and the list goes on and on.